Oh, everyone, here is another good news for every investor in Nigeria or Nigerian citizen that want to invest in real estate in Nigeria without all involved in the stress of land on housing and also want to have high return on investment in real estate investment company. Do you know now there is an opportunity in real estate investment in Nigeria now, how where you can invest your money as low as 1 million naira and be getting 45% return on investment every year and also 70% on return on investment every 18 months. I say yes. Yes, I assure you, and your investment is sure and your investment is safe. Here is AY Home Buyback Real Estate Investment, a company where we are selling houses, we are selling land for people, and we are helping people also to invest their money and get high return on an investment instead of you leaving your money idle in the bank or making a little or no profit. And the beauty things about this real estate investment is that it's very safe and it's very secure, and distance is not a barrier. Anywhere you are even watching me, anywhere you stay, you can invest there. All your documents will reach out to you, both soft copy through your email and the hard copy through DHL. You are welcome to this channel. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Taiwo Idowu, a real estate consultant here in Lagos. Over the period of years, I've helped a lot of people to buy houses, to sell, to buy land, and to establish real estate company, and also manage a lot of real estate investment portfolio for so many people. I guide people on how they can invest in real estate and making high profit, and how they can invest in real estate without losing their money. So I've helped a lot of people. So if you are watching me for the first time, my name is Taiwo Idowu. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like it and share it with family and friends. So today I want to talk more about how you can invest in real estate investment without buying land and houses and still making 40% every 45% return on investment every year anywhere you are, with as low amount as 1 million naira and maximum amount of 1 billion naira, and your investment is safe and is secure. As we all know that in Nigeria now, real estate business is one of the business also that even sure that save your money. Real estate investment is one of the investment also you can use as a vehicle to create wealth and also to multiply your money once you get it right. The risk is very low. I'm not saying there is no risk there, but the risk is very low once we are doing it with the right people. In Nigeria now, because of the advantages of the population and our economy, real estate has helped a lot of money to become a millionaire. Like somebody like I myself now, this kind of investment has also helped me now even to reduce the school fees stress on me, because this opportunity is available for you to use it to multiply your money, and you can also use this also to program your financial responsibility in order to free from every financial stress. You can use it to program for your yearly rent. You can use it to program for your maybe office rent or your children's school fees. Even you can use this also to program for your vacation expenses. How does it work? It's very simple. Only what you just need to do, this program, this investment is about real estate. We use the money to buy land and to buy house and resell and give you your profit, just like you are buying stock in the stock market, just like you are buying shares in the stock market where you invest your money. At the end of the year, they will give you the dividend. This one also is the same thing, but just that it's real estate. It's based on both land and houses. You invest the money as low as 1 million naira for 8 months. If you want it for 8 months, you can get return on investment for 29%. That means when you are investing 1 million, for instance, you are getting 290,000 at the end of the 8 month with your money and with your profit. And if you are investing 1 million for 12 months, you are getting 1.450 million at the end of 12 months, both your capital and your profit, which is your return on investment. And if you are investing 1 million for 18 months, which is 1.5 years, you are getting 700,000 naira. Both your profit and your capital altogether will now be 1.4 million naira. And there is a question you may be asking, that how am I knowing that my money is secure? Yes, your money is secure because this is not a Dublin machine platform, and it's not it is real estate investment. And so we use it to buy land and process as the land and sell and give you your profit back with your money. So your money is safe, your money is secure. And this program has been existing for some years now. A lot of people have benefited there. We call it AY Home Buy Back. AY Home Buy Back. I call it again AY Home Buy Back. So you can do it for 8 months, you can do it for 12 months, you can do it for uh, 18 months. And so whichever one you want to do, once you drop your money, once you drop your capital, you are going to get the document, deed of uh, buyback agreement. You are going to get it. You are going to get acknowledgement letter. You are going to get receipt, and you're also going to get the check for both your capital investment and your profit. It all together in order for you to cash it at the mature date. So this investment is safe and is secure. There is no story at the end of the day. Your money is not going to lose. This is an opportunity for you not to invest in real estate without even involve yourself in the process of buying land or buying house. It's just an investment and for you. And anywhere you are in the world, once you are in Nigeria, you can invest. You can invest it here. Distance is not a barrier. Your document will get back to you. So if you want to know more about it, so kindly give me a call and let me help you. Hi, that I'm talking to you is one of the things that I use to help myself. Now I've programmed it also for my children's school fees now every year. Instead of me now to just leave some certain saving in the bank without having any value for it, I've already put such money in that investment. So I know that every 8 months I'll be getting something to pay for my bill, and that money is there as a capital that is working for me. That is a smart way for investor to make your money working for you rather than you working for your money. This is a system that is work. So it's not it's a real estate investment opportunity that is good for everybody. And you know, in Nigeria now we are having housing deficits of 28 million housing deficit. So in the next 50 years, real estate investment is still relevant in Nigeria. So it cannot fail, it cannot falter. So that is why to keep on using this opportunity to double your money, to multiply your money, so that your money will not lose value. Irrespective of economic challenges of the country, maybe the wise people always find a smart way to create wealth and to make money in harsh economics. So that is why I am introducing you to this opportunity. It's safe, trust me. Your investment is safe, your investment is secure. You can start with a minimum of 1 million naira and maximum of 1 billion naira. So if you want to know more about it, kindly give me a call. Please, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share with family and friends, so you will hear more from me in the next video. Thank you. My name is Tawedo, real estate consultant here in Lagos, Nigeria. God bless you.